So you're in the market and you're thinking of buying a house in the San Francisco Bay Area. Should you talk to a realtor or a mortgage lender first? I'll answer that question on this episode, so stay right there. Welcome back. My name is Dale Corpus. I am a realtor in the Tri-Valley area in the East Bay of the San Francisco Bay Area, and I post videos every Friday about all things real estate. When purchasing a home, there are two very important people involved in the entire process, and you've got your mortgage lender and you've got your realtor, but who do you talk to first? In this video, I'm going to explain to you, in my opinion, who you should be hiring and talking to first before you start shopping for a home. Buying a house is super exciting, and I feel there's so much excitement behind the process, and you could envision yourself, your spouse, your significant other, your family being able to share that new place and create new memories together. And I think that's one of the best things about owning a home. But before you get into that process, you'll have to know, who do you hire first? Is it the realtor or is it the lender? Comment below and tell me what you think, whether you hire a real estate agent first or if you hire a lender first. And more often than not, people love to start on the real estate side with a realtor because they get excited about looking at properties, watching Bravo and HGTV and all those real estate shows that showcase all these beautiful homes or people searching for homes. But the real way you want to go about this is talking to the lender first. If you are financing a home, especially, the lender has got to be your number one stop. When you talk to a mortgage lender, they'll get you pre-approved for financing. You need to know that you can actually qualify to purchase your dream home. And now, sometimes you may not qualify for what you want, and that's where a good lender comes into play, because it may take you months and sometimes even a year to get into that place in order to purchase. And sometimes it could be based on your credit, and sometimes it's based on income. So a mortgage lender has to take all of that into account when they look at qualifying you. Another thing that they look at is your budget. They want to make sure that you're not going to be house poor, because the last thing at the end of the day is buying a new home that you are just literally working nonstop to pay your bills just to get your mortgage payment paid, and you can't even relax and enjoy the house. So make sure that what you're qualifying for is within your budget and within your means, so that way at the end of the day you can truly enjoy your home. Now, if you're paying cash for the house and you don't need any financing, by all means, go ahead and talk to a realtor like myself first so you can start shopping for your home. But if you are shopping out there and you need financing, remember the first stop has to be a mortgage lender. And for those of you that don't know any trusted local lenders, with great rates and service, I'll be more than happy to provide referrals to you. And technically, you'd be talking to me as a realtor first, but I'd be pointing you in the direction first of chatting with a local lender before we connect and talk about the buying process. And a lot of times when people call me first as a realtor, they haven't talked to a lender yet. They have no idea what they could qualify for and what they can purchase. So just because you have a credit score that's 780 plus, that doesn't guarantee that you're going to qualify for a mortgage. You have to remember there are so many factors that lenders take into account when qualifying you, from your credit, how much money you put down, your income, your monthly liabilities on your credit report, and the new mortgage itself. So they've got to at least factor in all that stuff before a lender could say yes for you to be able to shop for a house. Now, you might be searching online and reading all these blogs and all these people on YouTube that are telling you how to buy a house. Remember that unless they're a licensed mortgage loan officer and they're looking at your information, it's hard to tell someone that you can qualify with confidence on a home just based on certain criteria. You really have to get connected with the lender, Let them look at the facts and supporting documents so that way they can tell you yes or no. If it turns out you're pre-approved and you can buy a house, then get back in touch with your realtor, like myself, so you can confidently shop and know that when you do find a house that you love, your lender is able to perform and fund that loan and get you into your new home. So for all of you that guessed and commented below, if you guessed lender, that is the ideal answer. Unless you're trying to talk to a realtor first to get a referral to a lender, that makes sense as well. But make sure you talk to a lender first. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, or you may want to also check out my past video on the 10 questions to ask your real estate agent when buying a home in the San Francisco Bay Area. The link to that video is on the top corner of the screen. Again, I'm Dale Corpus from eXp Realty in San Ramon, California. I help buyers and sellers throughout the Bay Area and Tri-Valley, and I'll see you on my next video.